Do your eyes look puffy in the morning? It could be your kidneys. Most people assume puffy eyes are simply the result of poor sleep, allergies, aging, or spending too much time looking at screens. While these common causes certainly play a role, persistent puffiness around the eyes may sometimes signal that something deeper is happening inside the body. Many adults over the age of 50 wake up and immediately notice swelling beneath the eyes. Some describe it as bags under the eyes, while others notice that their eyelids appear swollen or heavier than usual. In many cases, the puffiness improves later in the day. However, when it happens frequently, the body may be trying to send an important message. One area that deserves attention is kidney health. The kidneys work around the clock to filter waste, balance fluids, regulate minerals, and help maintain healthy blood pressure. When kidney function becomes less efficient, excess fluid may begin collecting in different parts of the body. Sometimes one of the earliest places where this fluid becomes noticeable is around the eyes. Today, we'll explore why morning eye puffiness may sometimes be connected to kidney health, other warning signs that should not be ignored, and simple habits that may help support healthy kidneys naturally. Why the area around the eyes swells so easily. The skin around the eyes is among the thinnest and most delicate skin on the entire body. Because this area contains loose tissue, even small amounts of extra fluid can become noticeable very quickly. When a person lies down during sleep, fluids naturally redistribute throughout the body. If the body is retaining excess fluid, swelling may become especially visible around the eyes after waking. This is why many people notice puffiness in the morning that gradually improves after standing, walking, and moving around during the day. Occasional puffiness is usually harmless. However, frequent or worsening puffiness may deserve closer attention. How the kidneys help control fluid balance. Healthy kidneys constantly remove excess water and waste products from the bloodstream. Every day, these small but powerful organs help regulate fluid levels throughout the body. When the kidneys are functioning efficiently, the body is usually able to maintain a healthy balance between retaining and removing fluids. However, when kidney function becomes impaired, excess fluid may begin accumulating. This fluid retention may contribute to swelling in the hands, feet, ankles, face, and sometimes around the eyes. Because the eyes are so sensitive to fluid changes, they may reveal early signs before swelling becomes obvious elsewhere. Puffy eyes are not always about lack of sleep. Many adults automatically blame poor sleep whenever they notice puffiness around their eyes. While lack of sleep can certainly contribute, persistent morning puffiness that continues week after week may deserve a closer look. Some people notice puffiness even after sleeping well. Others experience swelling that appears almost every morning regardless of how rested they feel. When this pattern becomes consistent, it may be worth paying attention to other symptoms occurring throughout the body. The body rarely sends only one signal. It often provides several clues at the same time. Other kidney warning signs you should not ignore. Morning eye puffiness alone does not prove someone has kidney problems. However, when combined with other symptoms, it may be worth discussing with a healthcare professional. Some adults notice swelling in the feet or ankles. Others experience increased nighttime urination, fatigue, poor concentration, muscle cramps, or changes in urine appearance. Some people also report feeling unusually tired even after getting adequate sleep. These symptoms can have many causes, but when several occur together, they should not be ignored. The earlier potential problems are identified, the more opportunities there may be to protect long-term health. Why kidney health becomes more important after 50. As people age, the kidneys naturally undergo gradual changes. Years of high blood pressure, blood sugar imbalances, dehydration, poor dietary habits, smoking, or certain medications may place additional stress on kidney function. This does not mean kidney problems are inevitable. However, it does mean that paying attention to warning signs becomes increasingly important. Many adults are surprised to learn that kidney problems may develop quietly for years before becoming obvious. This is why awareness matters. Sometimes small signs may appear long before major symptoms develop. Daily habits that may help support healthy kidneys. Supporting kidney health often begins with simple daily habits rather than dramatic solutions. Staying properly hydrated helps the kidneys perform their filtering functions efficiently. Regular physical activity may help support healthy circulation and overall wellness. Limiting excessive salt intake may help reduce unnecessary fluid retention. A balanced diet rich in vegetables, fruits, whole foods, and healthy protein sources may help support long-term kidney wellness. Getting adequate sleep and managing stress may also play important roles in supporting overall health. The body often responds best to consistent healthy habits practiced over time. A simple morning drink that may help support kidney health. Many adults looking to support healthy hydration and kidney wellness enjoy starting the day with a simple drink made from natural ingredients. While no drink can cure kidney disease or replace medical treatment, proper hydration and healthy ingredients may help support overall wellness when combined with a balanced lifestyle. To prepare this simple morning drink, start with 1 glass of warm water. Squeeze in the juice of half a fresh lemon and stir well. Add a few thin cucumber slices and a small piece of freshly sliced ginger. Allow the ingredients to sit for several minutes so the flavors naturally blend together. Many people enjoy drinking this refreshing beverage before breakfast as part of a healthy morning routine. Lemon provides refreshing flavor while encouraging hydration. Cucumber contains a high water content that may help support fluid balance. Ginger has traditionally been used to support digestion and healthy circulation. The goal is not to rely on one drink as a miracle solution. Instead, it can become one small part of a healthy routine that includes hydration, movement, balanced nutrition, and quality sleep. Small habits practiced consistently often create the greatest long-term benefits. When should you seek medical advice? Occasional eye puffiness is extremely common and often harmless. However, persistent swelling that becomes more noticeable over time should not be ignored. If puffiness is accompanied by swelling elsewhere in the body, changes in urination, ongoing fatigue, or other unusual symptoms, professional medical evaluation may be appropriate. The goal is not to create fear. The goal is awareness. The body often provides early clues when something deserves attention. Puffy eyes in the morning are often blamed on lack of sleep, aging, or allergies. While these causes are common, persistent morning puffiness may sometimes signal changes in fluid balance that deserve closer attention. Because the kidneys play such an important role in regulating fluids throughout the body, they may occasionally be connected to swelling around the eyes. Paying attention to these small signals may help you become more aware of your overall health. Sometimes the body whispers before it shouts. The question is whether we are listening. If your eyes seem puffy every morning, it may be worth looking beyond the mirror and considering what your body might be trying to tell you.